The Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G and the Infinix Note 12 VIP are two great high-end devices from each individual brand, which I can use any of them as my daily driver, but both devices have some amazing features which are better than the other device in some aspects, but I'm not really impressed with the Camon 19 Pro 5G in a particular aspect that it boasts of. What's up guys, it's Michael. The unboxing experience is pretty simple. The Note 12 VIP comes in this very long box because of one special accessory which I'll talk about later in this video, while the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G comes in this new looking box. Since both devices come with a big screen and a high refresh rate at 120Hz, we have to choose between LCD and AMOLED, which is where the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G cuts my heart short because it comes with an LCD display, while the Infinix Note 12 VIP comes with a gorgeous looking AMOLED display and it comes with an always on display. This alone will make me choose the Infinix Note 12 VIP over the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G any day, anytime. Forget about the almost bezel-less screen on the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G. The Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G and the Infinix Note 12 VIP have amazing designs, but I prefer the Camon 19 Pro 5G design because of the leather finish at the rear if you get the green variant with the simple 2-camera setup. I prefer holding the Note 12 VIP with the full matte finish at the rear. Both of them are made of plastic, so you don't have to have high hopes, but it is still protective even though it falls on the floor because it won't break. These devices don't have an IP rating, which I would advise not to put any of them inside water, especially the Infinix Note 12 VIP, because since it has heat dissipation, they did not tighten the screws very well in it because of the heat that comes out. We have one storage option for both devices, which is 8GB RAM with 256GB of internal storage, which is a lot and enough at this price. But if you need more, you can use the card tray which houses the SD card slot, and we get memory fusion up to 5GB, which you can find in the special features in your settings, which the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G costs 189,000 naira or $320, while the Infinix Note 12 VIP comes in at 199,900 naira, which is $322. I am happy to see a Dimensity chipset on a Tecno Camon series device, and here we have the Dimensity 810 5G, which is a 6nm processor that is way better in terms of performance over the Helio G96 or the Note 12 VIP. I'll pick the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G all day every day for gaming and anything performance related because of that Dimensity chipset. Both devices run on the latest Android OS, which is Android 12, but the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G will be able to run Android 13 when it finally comes out publicly, which gives it this edge. We have minimal ads on both devices, which I am impressed with, and you can uninstall those transaction loading apps that you won't need because they are so unnecessary. And yes, we have this screen which is full of nonsense. Both brands need to polish their custom skins, which are XOS and HIOS for Infinix and Tecno respectively, for users to enjoy their devices very well. Like I said in my Spark 9 Pro comparison, Tecno is now improving their camera department and they are also doing it in the Camon series. Numbers don't say everything, but image processing does, which is why the Infinix Note 12 VIP with a 108MP camera is not better than the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G that comes with a 64MP camera, because Tecno has included the first RGBW lens rather than the traditional RGGB lens. What's up guys, so this is a front facing camera test on both the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G and the Infinix Note 12 VIP. Let me know in the comment section below which do you think is better. So I think, I don't know, anyone, let me know in the comment section below. I look too orange on the Camon 19 Pro 5G. Mm. guys, it's Michael. So this is a rear facing camera test on both devices, and image stabilization is on both devices. I'm currently shooting at 1080p 30 fps. Currently shooting at 2K with front facing camera. So let me know. Sun kiss. Let me know in the comment. The image stabilization on the Tecno Camon 90 Pro needs to be worked on. It is just like the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra when it was first released. When it comes to battery, there is something that is amazing here. The Tecno Camon 90 Pro 5G comes with a 5000 mAh battery, but with a 33-watt power brick that takes the device more than an hour to fully charge from 0 to 100%. But the Infinix Note 12 VIP comes with a 4500 mAh battery, but wait, it comes with a 120-watt hypercharge power brick, which charges this device from 0 to 100% in 21 minutes, which is mind-blowing for a device at this price point. You won't need to worry about charging your device when it is low, because you can easily charge from 0 to 30% in 5 minutes, which is still insane in Nigeria. Both devices' battery can take you for a whole day depending on your usage, but if you are a heavy user and your 120Hz high refresh rate is always on, then you can get about 6 hours of screen on time. Let me know in the comment section below if you pick a 5000 mAh battery with a 33-watt power brick device or a 4500 mAh battery with a 120-watt power brick device. I still can't wrap my head around the Tecno Camon 90 Pro 5G coming with a mono speaker, which is totally not worth its asking price, while the Infinix Note 12 VIP comes with amazing stereo speakers. I was expecting way more from the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G, but I got disappointed, which is what you get in life when you expect too much. In this comparison, I will 100% go for the Infinix Note 12 VIP over the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G, because it has most of the things the Tecno Camon 19 has and it does them better, except in the performance department and 5G, which is yet to be launched in Nigeria. Which will you choose, since there's a tiny difference between its price for both devices? You can check out this video here where I compared the Tecno Spark 9 Pro with the Infinix Hot 12, or click this video here where I did a gaming review on the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G, or check out this playlist here.